Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video we'll unbox and review the Fab Bag July 2019 edition. It's priced at ₹599 including shipping and it's one of the most popular subscription boxes of India. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the box has reached me. It's slightly deformed this month. So once we open, we have this beautiful pouch. I'm really loving the design. It is of extremely good quality and the color combination and everything looks very pretty. So I'm definitely happy with the pouch. And here are more products. I can see a lot of products. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product and the star product is a set of mini lipsticks. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is by the brand Seduction Las Vegas, and if you're an old subscriber, you might have already received this one in one of the previous Fab Bag subscriptions. So the cost of this entire kit is worth $4.99 and here are all the ingredients mentioned. Personally, I like these lipsticks. They're creamy, they're quite smooth, they are pretty long lasting. They're not transfer proof, they transfer very easily. But the colors are really nice, pigmented, and for everyday use I definitely like them, and these mini lipsticks are perfect for your travels. But since I already have them, this is like an additional thing, so I'll probably gift this to someone like family or friends, or maybe one of you will get this as a giveaway gift. I have all the swatches of this in my previous video. I link it on the cards here and also in the description box below, since I'll be gifting this to someone, maybe one of you only, so I don't want to swatch them. Let them be sealed. I already am using them, so quality wise I have told you that I like them. And if you're someone who has not got this earlier in your Fab Bag, then this itself makes the bag value for money and worth ordering. But we still have a lot of good things. Next we have this Tvakh Bamboo Sap Illuminating Cream Highlight for Radiant Finish, 30-gram size. Tvakh is a really nice brand. I have used their products before and they're really nice. Here are all the claims. It is a no paraben, no GMO, no phthalates, and those chemical free products, and it's worth $3.75. Manufactured in 6/2019, and the key ingredients are mentioned here, which actually look quite nice, like shea butter, hyaluronic acid, which will hydrate your skin, and some licorice extract, grapefruit extract, and also definitely good. So the way to use it is you can directly apply it on your face and just make it like an illuminating cream, or you can mix this with your foundation, and the finish you'll have is a dewy finish with some illumination in it. So let's check this out. So here I have taken a very tiny amount of it. Oh, I love it. It has a golden sheen to it and it is so glowy. I absolutely love this product. I am already falling in love with this, especially for darker skin tones or duskier skin tones, and in fact Indian skin tones in general. Golden undertones, golden highlighters look so good, and it's so sheer. It's like you're having a glow from within. I am in love with this product. So happy to receive that. Then we have a product from Aroma Magic, which is very affordable and yet one of my favorite brands. It is a food cream from them which claims to soften and protect your feet. It is a sample size, of course, not for say 20-gram size. And here are all other details mentioned, but it's perfect for your travel, or otherwise you can just try it out, and if you like it, you can get a full size for yourself. I'm definitely happy to receive this. I have been using the fuchsia food creams. This is definitely gonna be great. Next we have this Swiss Tempel Total Cleanup. It is a face wash, scrub and mask with 12 skin benefits, purifying clay and wild rose with natural extracts, paraben free product. It's a product of Switzerland. So the cost is $110 and it's a 50 ml size. Here are all the ingredients and the directions mentioned. So as mentioned here, you can use it daily as a face wash, or if you want you can massage into your skin for some time and it will help you as a scrub, and you can use it as a mask as well. Leave it for 5-10 minutes and then rinse it off. So I have used, I think, Nivea or Clean and Clear, some other brand which came up with this concept. I saw the ad and I got it, but that was quite harsh on my skin. This one is paraben free with natural extract, so I'll definitely give it a try. I like such products, but depends how they work on my skin. And finally, we have a facial kit from Organic Harvest. So it has all the 5 steps: the cleansing milk, then the scrub, then a massage cream, then a mask, serum, and sunscreen. So 6 steps in total, and all of these have the instructions written on the back of it. These are paraben, mineral, and PABA, all those free. Organic Harvest is a good brand, so I'm definitely happy with this. Use it on a weekend. You can have a DIY facial for yourself, and if you have someone like your sister who can help you out with a facial, nothing better than that. So moving on to the paperwork, there is a leaflet from Swiss Temple brand which has a code for 10% flat off when you purchase from Nykaa. There is this in my Fab Bag contest, and this time you are winning a Sage Cosmetic Nail Lacquer matte top coat. And finally, the info card. The theme this month is the hues of nostalgia. So basically, because the star product is actually from one of their previous editions, but actually I ended up liking all the other products too. So let's have a look at the pricing details. The lipstick set is for $4.99. The Tvakh illuminating cream is for $3.10. Food cream is for $72. Total cleaner face wash, scrub and mask combo is for $110, and the facial kit is for $2.95. So overall, you're getting a lot more value than you're paying. And I'm actually very happy with this month's edition. Initially, I thought because I have this already, the star product, I'll not be that satisfied with this month's edition, but I ended up liking all the other products a lot. This is a mind-blowing product. I loved it. Food cream is again a very basic product and from a good brand, so I like it. A facial kit is also good. I do try to have facials at home for myself, usually on alternate weekends, so I'll definitely use that. And this also seems like a very promising product. This one is a great product if you don't already have it, which makes it a must-have edition. I'm someone who has it, so what I'll do is I'll gift it to someone, because anybody I gift this, they'll be more than happy. They'll be really happy to get this. So quality-wise, all the products seem really good. Brands are good. The pouch is good. And all the products are really nice, usable products. So I will give this edition a big thumbs up from my side. If you like it too, then you can order it from fabbag.com. I have all the details mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you want any discount code, do ping me on Instagram. My handle is @SonaMeraki. I'll definitely help you out with a coupon code, no matter whether you're going for single month subscription, 3 month, 6 month, or a yearly subscription. I have coupon codes for you all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. And there's a giveaway coming up very soon. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.